Alright guys, so we're out here at the park today with the FT Simple Soarer. I'm really excited to give this thing a few chucks around today. It's the golden hour, perfect night out for flying, nice and calm. However, if I turn around, you're going to be blinded by the sun. However, as you can see, the Simple Soarer has made it out here. It's time to go ahead and give it its proper maiden. So I'm really excited to do it. I think we got it all balanced out, but this is pretty much all I've done so far. I haven't added any high start hooks or tow release mechanisms yet, so we're just going to go ahead, give it a few chucks today, and that'll be its maiden. So here we go. Alright, so that's not bad. There's not really that much wind to pick it up today, so... Alright, here's chuck number 2. And it's very controllable. I've got quite the amount of rudder throw on this thing. Might even need to dial it back a little bit. It's kind of touchy. Alright, so it's kind of bright, but I'm going to go ahead and launch it back over there towards the parking lot for this next launch. Here we go. Beautiful, nice and straight. It does have, again, a lot of rudder authority, so barely using any of that at all. After this flight, we're going to go ahead, take it back, and give it a little bit of a tune-up, but other than that, it's flying really well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and give it one more chuck towards the parking lot. Hopefully we can get it pretty close. But yeah, let's do this one more time. Slight back pressure. Beautiful. Alright, so final launch right here. We're gonna go back out towards that side of the field. And yeah, I'm really excited about this thing. But hopefully we can get it all tuned up so we can do some high starts with this, because it's flying really well. Getting hit by that slight draft. Just able to set it down right over there, nice and gently. This is nice, light and floaty, just like you'd expect a glider to be. So that's it for the maiden of the FT Simple Soarer. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to be doing some more videos with this thing, especially when I get some high start equipment or another person to help me fly the tow plane and things like that. But if you guys have any requested videos for this plane, I'd be happy to address those, as well as we're going to be doing some reinforcements and mods with this plane as it serves its lifespan in the fleet. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next video.